Meanwhile, traffic police in Imphal West and Bishnupur district have initiated a crackdown on school vans carrying more students than the seat capacity. The drive led to several van services being fined for overloading. Authorities emphasized that strict actions will be taken following repeated violations, including license suspensions. Our SKTV News Chief Reporter Ketrimayum Premchand brings you an exclusive report on this.
According to 2015 Manipur Gazette notification by the Transport Department, school vans were advised to limit the number of students they carry and not to exceed more than 1.5 times their registered seating capacity to ensure safety of students. However, several school vans have been found overloading their vehicles, leading to fines for violating the rules. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren has stated on social media that van services found carrying access students will face suspension of their license.
Maximum gari capacity, company capacity, adu 1.5 never. The VNJ company capacity, the anywhere the maximum the 8 81.5 feet, 12 driver logo hada, Nami Rama today, 11 days in a as per Manipur Gazette rules in Tumina. I do not overload or not to be fine. I know the MD Tumina later. I do Matumina put out the Rapodi. I'll come when nobody can array, Ama Sanare have to go, government Gazette at the hand to you. Then only avoid what of day. When I told you what government are zero. I do not in a point of the Veneco. Aduna, Kamoji, Association, or Geramo, or Gera, have to get a Tana, Biraga, when a Kaito, have to see the Tahandio, after that, when to see that it over the day, Gomondo, the Makan, the Hamangi, the Nagati Sakaleva, 40 of the label, but I'm Jeremy try part to be away. Silamang, Puraga, accident, Kamato, Taketo. Yamna sila ibani ko. Ay nga si do traffic PSP na best no amo pa na ko ibani. Sida ko di just angang miyam di safety na ni. Accident naman ko pada sida safety habitat ko okay ko. Aduna adu di magda ko na mayam di pada di angang di kayam di na ba ko na doctor ko ni.
Some van drivers expressed disappointment after traffic police unexpectedly stopped them and imposed fines while they were returning from school with students on board. The drivers mainly expressed their dissatisfaction with a sudden enforcement drive. However, the traffic police acted calmly while talking to the van drivers to ensure that students in the vans do not panic. The traffic police even offered drinking water to the students.
Saya apa saat ini, halapan itu sendiri sebenarnya halapan itu dah kau ni tu, apa yang han lagi, dia lagi berkuat lagi, overload ini pun
The initiative taken up by the government of Manipur is commendable, as it will help prevent children from transporting inappropriately to school. This is Ketrimayum Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.